So you have more than one assignment in this church.
So nakailabaw ko sa usa ka assignment diri sa simbahan.
You are very useful.
Galamito ni
Clap for Jesus.
Amen.
Amen. You have two.
Una kay duha.
Two things that you are doing.
Duha ka punta kay mo gibuhat.
Clap for Jesus.
Pagpakit si Jesus.
3,
Tulo.
4,
Buka.
0.
Wala. Palisan. Wala ka na.
Pastor Jerry say, still clap for yourself. Clap for yourself. You know?
Pagpakit mo ka galingon. Bisa wala ka gibuhat.
So once you see that you have more than one assignment,
So kung nakita nga, sobrang ka sa usay mong assignment.
I'm telling you as a pastor,
Ako ang sulihan bilang usa ka pastor.
truthfully,
Sa tinuod, sa
you
tinuod.
are very, very useful.
Galamiton yung kaayo ka para na.
So if your own assignment is 1,
So kung nana kay usa,
seek for more.
pag kita pagdugang,
Those that are useful, what happens in the church is we add more to their work.
kay katong naidaghan, o niya, o sabi makita mo, mas tugangan ni noon
Once
ako.
we find you useful in one area,
Kung makita ka na mga galamiton ka sa usa ka area,
we give you more work to do.
dugangan pag ibuhang trabaho.
That is a way to let you know that you are useful.
Mao na ang pamaagi para ipahibaw ni mga galamiton kaayo ka.
For some,
Pero sa uban,
we have assignments,
yatagan mo assignment,
we remember them.
ako sila nahinumduman,
No.
May mo sa sinabi ko, anak ko,
That will not be your story.
Amen.
Somebody say, I will serve the Lord
At isuti ako masilbi sa
with all
tibuok,
my strength,
sa tibuok na
with
hukusok,
all my might,
sa tibuok na hukusok,
in the name of
sa
Jesus.
pangalan ni Jesus.
So we are talking about the house of God.
Sa taghisgutan ang balay sa
And
Ginoo,
why it is important
ganang importante man siya
for us to come to church.
para kita mudong sa simbahan.
What are the different ways to serve?
Usa ka lain-lain pamaagi sa
We
pagserbisyo.
said the church provides us number 1,
Usa ang una, ang simbahan naghatag ka na to,
Place of blood. Place of divine encounter. Place